but what if I want to bookmark this? Now, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off my highlighting here, and I'm going to say, okay, I want this to be part of my quote. Now you can see this is popping up, my highlight and my words there, and I can even search information on that, but I'm actually going to hit my bookmark button. And you can see now that the quote that I just did is automatically pulled in. Now I can add to it, and in fact, you definitely want to make sure you add to it. I'm just going to add a few things there, nonsense, but you're going to type something legitimate. You don't have to worry about plagiarizing if you actually put each individual article in your own words. So I'm going to say Steve Jobs, and I'm going to say inspiration, and I've got a couple things in there.